Welcome to Prof BankU. What is Prof BankU? Well, it is an app, but I would like to call it as your buddy in the preparation for government exams. What kind of exams? Well, either IBPS or SSC or SBI or any other government exam. Prof BankU will let you prepare for all these exams. And yes, it is also helpful in preparing for the placements. What is our aim? Our aim is to make you learn and understand each and every concept related to aptitude in the basic as well as advanced form. And how we do it? Well, we teach you each and every topic question wise. What do I mean by question wise? Say, for example, I have the topic profit and loss. We have divided this topic into different types of questions, and we teach each and every topic by teaching you these questions. We provide solutions to these questions in the best and the easiest way. And yes, when I say best, I mean the shortcuts. So, how you learn? Well, you learn just like the traditional method, that is the whiteboard. But this time, the whiteboard is connected to the videos. What is the advantage of these videos? Well, you can revise the lecture as many times as you want, and you can review it from wherever you have left. And talking about how the videos look like, well, the videos are just like the one you are watching right now. Yes, they are this simple to relate to. What is our vision? Our vision is to make learning easy and simple, effective and convenient for everyone. And when I say everyone, I mean the person either who is preparing for the first time or the person who is preparing for the nth time. The learning will be simple and uniform for everyone. What is the learning process now? The learning process is you learn from the videos, that is the full length video lectures. Then you go to the fact sheets to revise your formulas, and then you solve the questions. And all these three things are available in just one app, that is Prof BankU. So now we come to the doubts. Well, we cater to your doubts through emails. As of now, we are catering just through emails. And what is the advantage? Well, you just email us anytime. You just have the doubt, just email us anytime. We are available 24/7 and will respond to you within 24 hours. So, what are the charges for all these things? Well, the charges are nothing. We charge you zero for your preparation. We give you videos, we give you study material, and we charge you nothing. So, at the end, why Prof BankU? Well, Prof BankU let you prepare when you want to, where you want to, and how you want to, and that too at no price. So just go to the Play Store and download Prof BankU as we are available only at Google Play Store.